Hello again everyone. During our recent trip to Essex, our new friend Gary showed up with a lovely looking new motorhome. Come with us while we have a bit of a look round it. Well, we've had our breakfast, we're going to go and have a look in Gary's van. So what's this van, Gary? This is
Autotrail Tracker FB.
Very nice.
And the FB must stand for French bed. Ah. So you've got storage behind here, behind the...
No.
Oh, okay.
That's the back of the van.
Oh, it is the back of the van, right.
Have you got a garage and everything?
Yeah, I've got a small one underneath the bed, yeah.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
What, from the outside or underneath the bed?
From both, yeah.
You can do it both?
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah. Storage obviously underneath that one, that's from outside and inside, this seat. So, fridge and freezer. Can't believe, wasn't it? What they've squeezed.
No, I'm looking at, the only thing he has in there, in the fridge, is a pack of 12 beers.
Yeah. You can tell I'm on my own, can't you?
That's all you need, really.
And then it's got all the what I liked about the FB was all the cabinetry all around, because it's everywhere.
Yes.
So much storage.
What we found when we were in the rentals, because all the rentals that we had was a French bed, is of course you had to take your shoes off to get to the cupboards.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the person over the far side to get to the toilet, you know, you have to kind of shove them along, don't you, sometimes?
So
the shortest person this side.
Well,
yes. Because we
person with prostate problems. This
right.
Yeah. It's easier to get out and get into the loo, which is you've also got a wardrobe in there. Quite a big wardrobe, quite a bit in there, and then
oh wow, nice.
A separate shower. Yeah.
It's nice to have a separate shower, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely, it is nice. There's plenty of storage in there. It's got a cupboard above, cupboard underneath.
There is. That's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I do like the fact that I think Chaz has got it as well. There's these lights on the steps.
Yeah.
Because I don't like a step because I'm 6 foot.
Yeah.
I'm just bang me foot into it.
But that's 3 in the morning when you're going through.
Yeah. Is it always on?
No, it can.
Oh, okay.
Just a switch there. So if you're in bed, you can turn it on. It just gives you enough light without waking you up too much to go to the loo.
Yeah.
And what's that bottom bit there then, please?
Down where here?
Yeah.
That's another storage cabinet.
Amazing.
Quite a big one.
That's fantastic.
Wine.
Yeah. Beer.
Beer won't fit in the fridge.
No,
This must be lovely at night.
It's lovely.
Over the top
it is, and that opens up like there's the fan like there's here.
Table.
Yeah. That's not where you keep your skis, is it?
No, it's not the ski locker. Or where you put your fishing rod.
But I think they've worked it out really well. But it was all the cabinets above that did it for me.
Yes.
Because the storage in here is just amazing.
It is, isn't it? It nearly goes all the way round, doesn't it?
Pretty much.
It's very much like some of the boat design. Some of the boats.
Well, apparently, I didn't know this, but Chaz was telling me that Autotrail used to make boats before they made motorhomes.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Because we used to go to some of the boat shows and things like that and see how. So
how they're
these
made.
layouts are kind of familiar to me, as it were.
Yeah. Big cabinet under here as well. It's quite nice. Gives you lots of storage.
Me crazy too. That was.
There's another one underneath the.
I thought it was a cobweb or thing because I could see this.
Cobweb? What?
No, it's a piece.
So this is just your second trip away, is it, Gary? Or third?
My second trip away.
Fantastic.
New. Oh, look at this! Even the little plant.
That's Joe.
Matches with the kettle. That's very nice. Beautiful kettle. But you thought, you fancied going round, didn't you, and travelling and seeing places. But yes, I suppose also videos. You kind of think, encourages you to buy one. So yes, Gary, what made you buy a motorhome?
my parents, because my parents had the Volky camper van when I was a kid, and we did all over Europe in a little camper van. And then I bought a Mazda Bongo about 10 years ago.
Oh, right.
A
Yeah.
little
I
Mazda
like
Bongo.
those, yeah.
Yeah, so I had one of those, but it was just so unpractical. It just wasn't.
They look
good.
a bit too small.
They are small.
Yeah, because they're
They're not-
smaller than an old V-dub, aren't
They're
they?
about the same size as
Oh,
a bed. It had the pop-up roof and had a kitchen in the back and a bed up in the roof as well. But it was just a day van really, and I've always wanted something I can do a bit more touring in, you know.
Sometimes you wish that you'd had the motorhome sooner, though, don't you? You know, when you kind
Yeah.
of think, oh, if
I
only
wish
we'd
I'd
bought
got
one
into it
10 years
5,
ago.
10 years ago. I think people that haven't done it need to do it because it's such an eye.
But there's none available.
No, it's great. I love it.
And of course you've got the kettle in the oven. Yeah, that is a
Yep.
kettle in the oven, like everybody else.
Absolutely. That's to stop it rattling. Yeah.
What, the kettle?
So there you go, that was Gary's van. A very nice size we thought, and a very nice layout. And I'm sure Gary will have a lot of fantastic trips in that. And we hope to see him out and about on a campsite very, very soon.